Hello everyone. I often receive queries from friends and sometimes Instagram and Facebook community users regarding how to deal with IPTC metadata. Because uploading one image to multiple stock agencies and then providing this metadata is cumbersome job for anyone. So one can use applications to feed image title, description and keyword details. Later upon upload into stock websites, all stock agencies has intelligence to parse this data from image and process it. And then one can see IPTC data along with images are available. Believe me, this will save a good amount of time. There are good amount of apps available. Very famous is Lightroom, but in case you don't have Lightroom, then you can download other free softwares. I especially like IrfanView, and I'm using IrfanView from quite some time. It does everything: batch IPTC, batch delete exif, batch resize, no crashes, and easy to use and free. In this video, I will show you how to feed IPTC data into single images, as well batch IPTC into multiple images. So let's start. Okay, to start with, one can go to the irfanview.com. I'll provide the link detailed in description. Depending on your system, please select 32-bit or 64-bit. Here I am going for 64-bit. And one important thing to note is, as of now, IrfanView supports Windows operating system only. Once downloaded, please follow the instruction to install. As of now, I'll directly jump onto IPTC information. Let's open any file, selecting Open With option as IrfanView. Here is a concept photoshoot we did, showing that like few ice cubes are falling in ice bucket. Add IPTC information on similar line. Click on Information option in Image tab. You will receive a pop-up box which will have various EXIF information, and at the end of pop-up select IPTC info. You will get another pop-up where you can see document title, caption, which is nothing but a description, and in keyword and category tab you can feed tags. Here I will write description as dropping ice cubes inside ice bucket and photograph against beautiful light bokeh and isolated against black background. Sorry. I'll just copy some text from description field to paste in the title field. You can type your own as per your wish though. And here are list of keywords I collected few minutes back. I'll paste it in the keyword section. Click on OK button and exit IrfanView. If you hover over image thumbnail, then you can see all IPTC information is visible for image. Now quickly we'll see how to feed IPTC information in multiple similar images. From window of IrfanView's left pen directory structure, go to directories where you kept all multiple images. Select all these images and click on File, JPG lossless operation, and then set IPTC data to selected files. This data I received from the first file we did just now. You can type and provide details as per your wish. So we have a title, description and keyword. Now we'll have to make sure that same details should be applied to other files as well. To do that, we'll go to Option tab and make sure to check the option Edit the first file only and apply text to all the files. And click on the right button. Here you can see that if I hover over any of the files, mouse over is showing that title, description and keywords are applied to all the files. I'll upload these pictures in some of the websites like Shutterstock and Dreamstyle, and we'll see if IPTC data are coming or not. And here goes, I can see a website passed all IPTC information from images perfectly and showing in their platform. That's all guys, this much for this video. Stay tuned with channel. In next video, I will tell how to do batch processing and apply copyright, trademark, crop, etc. in thousands of images in one shot. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.